Hello everyone and welcome to new video from a microbiologist. Today I'm gonna talk about the difference between violet red bile glucose agar and violet red bile lactose agar. Violet red bile glucose agar is used to detect Enterobacteriaceae family, since all members of Enterobacteriaceae family ferment glucose. Enterobacteriaceae family contains more than 30 genera and 110 species, and all members of Enterobacteriaceae ferment glucose. While in case of violet red bile lactose agar is used to detect a specific group of Enterobacteriaceae family, because not all Enterobacteriaceae family ferment lactose, but only a specific group of Enterobacteriaceae which have the ability to ferment lactose, and its terms to coliforms, lactose fermenter Enterobacteriaceae family. So violet red bile glucose agar is used to detect and count in all members of Enterobacteriaceae family, while violet red bile lactose agar is used to detect a specific group of Enterobacteriaceae which have the ability to ferment lactose, which is coliforms. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you soon in next coming video.